My name is Paul Gregg, and I'm co-owner in a company called Shock Effect Whitetail Products. I'm going to tell you about our number one selling product, and that is called the Shock Effect Antler Enhancer. The future is finally here. This product is the first of its kind and will change the way that we feed our whitetails forever. The enhancer is not a mineral. It's a combination of beneficial bacteria, which is probiotics, amino acids, enzymes, vitamins, minerals, and other digestive aids. It is designed specifically for improving antler growth and overall body condition. The secret is in the bacteria. The whitetail's stomach is full of trillions of tiny bacteria. These bacteria are how they digest their food. We use a microencapsulation process to help protect this beneficial bacteria as they are ingested. When these bacteria are microencapsulated, the capsules are not created equal. This allows the capsules to open at different times, causing them to get spread throughout the entire digestive system. It increases the feed conversions and nutrient absorptions of whatever they're eating. Doesn't matter what kind of nutritional program they're on, they'll get more out of whatever they're eating. Basically, this is how it works. As the rut comes to a close, the buck's bodies are run down, and as a result, they've lost a lot of body weight. This forces them to waste critical energy to rebuild their bodies. During the same time period, they lose their antlers and start the regrowth process. The faster they put the weight back on, the faster the energy will be focused towards antler growth. That's step one. The beneficial bacteria help speed this process up. The next step is antler growth itself. Minerals are needed, but when a buck is growing his antlers, it's all about the blood flow. The amino acids help increase the blood flow and expand the blood vessels. An example of this is in our test facilities. If we let the bucks grow their antlers out till say like June, and then we start feeding it, after about 3 weeks time you can physically see the antlers starting to turn darker from the amino acids increasing that blood flow. It's amazing. We have designed this supplement to be used in conjunction with a grain mix. One of the biggest mistakes people make is they spend a lot of time and money planting their food plots and then set a corn feeder with it. Every time that buck goes and eats out of that corn feeder during the antler growing season, he is killing himself for valuable nutrition that he needs for antler growth. Corn is about 9.5% protein, 3.5% fat, and 2.9% fiber roughly. It's the worst thing you could possibly feed a buck during his antler growing season, but yet that's the most common thing people do. You go out and spend all your time and money putting your food plots in, and then you're just killing them by doing that. Our product is designed to be fed with a supplemental feed program, whether it's your own grain mix or we sell a combo feed type product too. But it magnifies what they're eating, increases the blood flow, gets that digestive system working as good as it can, and at the end results, I got a couple examples here to show you. This buck right here, if you can see this, is one of our test animals that died on us. He broke an antler right here and got an infection, and we didn't catch it in time and it killed him. But the amazing thing about this little guy here, even though he's not real small, is this is a 1-year-old buck. I'll show you right here if you can see this. Hopefully you can see this. But you can see the permanent tooth pushing the baby teeth out. This is an example of what we're talking about. This is the difference between feeding an actual product that's designed to increase antler growth. A lot of people make those claims and they're just not true. Here's another buck that we had that unfortunately got gored. He is a 3-year-old and he got gored by another buck and got killed. We should have separated him beforehand, but we didn't get to him in time. But these are a couple examples of what our antler enhancer does. You can go to our website at shockeffectwhitetail.com, and we got plenty of good reading on there for educational purposes to give you an idea of what we do. The antler enhancer product comes in a couple different forms. Number one, it's in a powder form, so for a guy that wants to go and mix his own grain mixes, he can use like a molasses to help bind it to that grain. The other option is it comes in a pellet form, so you can add this directly in your feeders with a combination of whatever nutritional supplemental feeding program you're using. And then we also sell it in a complete feed package, which has got everything that you need. The nutritional package, the enhancer, the mineral package that we sell, it's all complete in one 50-pound bag. If you've got any questions about this, you can contact us on our website. Look us up at shockeffectwhitetail.com.